Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.
We cannot see them.
We cannot hold them.
Gases all around us.
Particles race in a wondrous world.
Without seeing, without holding.
Let us sing and learn.
Gases all around us.
Particles racing as gases.
Volume, pressure, temperature.
When kinetic energy increases, the speed of the particles increases too.
When the heat increases,
The motion increases too. Without seeing,
Without holding.
let us sing and learn. What are the general properties of gases? This is today's first question. They have no fixed shape, they have no fixed volume. They take the shape of the container and fill the entire container. Their density is usually very low. They are easy to compress. They quickly mix with one another. These are the properties of gases. In the gaseous state, how are all the particles arranged? The distance between particles is large. The force of attraction is very weak. The freedom of movement is greater, and they have more energy too. They move continuously in random ways. They collide and change direction. The amazing dance of gas particles continues inside the container.
Gases all around us.
Particles racing as gases.
Distance is greater.
Attraction is weaker.
Freedom of movement
Is greater. Why is the density of gases generally very low? The distance between particles is large. There is more empty space between them. Fewer particles in a fixed volume, so the density is also low.
How is the volume of a gas determined?
The volume of the container in which the gas is held, that itself is the volume of the gas. The volume. If it is moved from a 1-liter container into a 10-liter container, it spreads throughout the whole container and fills all 10 liters. Whether the container is small or the container is large,
The gas spreads through it
a
completely.
gas has no fixed volume.
It takes the volume of its container.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey.
How is gas pressure produced? Can anyone explain? Gas particles moving continuously collide with the walls of the container. These collisions produce a force. The walls experience this force. The force acting on one unit of area is pressure. The continuous collision of particles is the cause of gas pressure.
Pressure, temperature, particles race in the world of gases.
Collisions produce pressure, and gas takes the container's volume.
Pressure, temperature, particles race in the world of gases.
Collisions produce pressure, and gas takes the container's volume.
Temperature is related to which property of gas particles?
It is related to the average kinetic energy of the particles. When the average energy increases, the temperature also increases. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Remember it well. Connect the change in heat with the motion of particles and understand them together.
What is kinetic energy?
Friends,
Can you explain?
the energy a particle gets because of its motion.
It's called kinetic energy in the world of science.
Gas particles keep moving continuously, so they possess energy. When the speed of particles increases, their kinetic energy increases too.
When a gas is heated, what happens to its particles?
When heat is supplied, the speed increases. The motion of the particles increases too. The average kinetic energy increases and the temperature rises.
The particles strike the container walls with greater speed and greater force. Heat, motion, and energy, they are connected. They are connected. They are connected. They are connected. They are connected.
Gases,
Gases all around us.
Particles racing as gases.
Distance is greater.
Traction is weaker.
Freedom of movement is greater.
The gas volume is the container's volume. Collisions create the pressure.
When heat increases, energy increases, and the temperature rises too. Let us sing and learn, let us learn through song. Let us sing and learn gas science.
Without seeing,
Without holding
we can understand.
the world of gases, let us sing and learn.
Volume, pressure, temperature,
Kinetic energy, the world of gases.
let us sing and learn.
Dear children, through today's educational song, we learned about the general properties of gases, the arrangement of gas particles, volume, pressure, temperature, and kinetic energy in a very simple way. Now, let us recall the 8 questions and answers we learned through the song. Once again in the same order. First question: what are the general properties of gases? Answer: gases have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept and spread throughout the entire container. Gases generally have very low density. They can be compressed easily and can mix quickly with one another. Second question: how are particles arranged in the gaseous state? Answer: the distance between gas particles is very large. Since the force of attraction between the particles is very weak, they have greater freedom of movement. Gas particles move continuously and randomly. They collide with one another and keep changing their direction. Third question: why is the density of gases generally very low? Answer: since the distance between gas particles is very large, there is a lot of empty space between them. Therefore, the number of particles present in a fixed volume is low. That is why gases generally have low density. Fourth question: how is the volume of a gas determined? Answer: the volume of the container in which a gas is kept is considered the volume of that gas. When gas from a small container is transferred to a larger container, it spreads throughout the larger container and takes its volume. Therefore, a gas has no fixed volume. Fifth question: how is gas pressure produced? Answer: gas particles that are continuously moving collide with the walls of the container. These collisions exert force on the walls of the container. The force acting on a unit area is called pressure. Sixth question: temperature is related to which property of gas particles? Answer: temperature is related to the average kinetic energy of gas particles. When the average kinetic energy of the particles increases, the temperature also increases. The temperature also increases. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Seventh question: what is kinetic energy? Answer: the energy gained by an object or particle due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Gas particles move continuously, so they possess kinetic energy. When the speed of the particles increases, their kinetic energy also increases. Eighth question: what happens to the particles of a gas when the gas is heated? Answer: when a gas is heated, the speed of its particles increases. Along with this, their motion, average kinetic energy and temperature also increase. The particles also collide with the walls of the container at greater speed. Now, you have clearly understood the amazing world of gases, haven't you? To receive educational songs like this in all subjects and in your preferred language, you can join the Paadi Padikkam group. To join the group, first scan the QR code now displayed on the screen. When you scan the QR code, you will receive the link to join the Paadi Padikkam group. Scan this QR code right now. Watch the free sample lessons. Then you can also join the Paadi Padikkam group. There is another option for those who are unable to scan the QR code. Those who wish to become members can send a WhatsApp message to 9061032271 in the message. Type your name, your preferred language and PMS. The membership link will be sent back to you. With this, today's Sing and Learn through songs learning journey comes to an end. We will meet again in the next educational song. Thank you. Namaste. I am your own Ivan from Paadi Padikkam.
Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.